Hello friends, a very good afternoon. I am Rahul from Emina Consultancy. Today we are coming again in front of you to another informative session and a very knowledgeable session for one of the most favorite destination about Canada. Canada is a destination where nowadays every Indian wants to get themselves in Canada through any kind of visa. It could be either education visa, tourist visa, business visa, entrepreneurship visa, and investor visa, and PR visa. Canada is a country where anyone can get PR visa by following a very simple steps. If you can go Canada through education visa, later on you do have an option to convert your education visa into PR visa. Canada is a country which will give you a PR visa very easily. So today motive of us to create this video to give you a impact knowledge how to apply for Canadian education visa. Most of all, as we all know that Canada is a place where you can get Canadian education visa easily. But the thing is that unfortunately most of the student does not have proper knowledge that how to get shortlisting of universities or colleges, and the second thing is that lack of knowledge and information on programs and the courses what the universities or colleges are offering. And the third major challenge is that most of all are facing a huge problem of funds or high tuition fees in Canada. So this video is for those kind of student who is having lack of knowledge, lack of funds, or those who are suffering from very high tuition fees. So now we are going to tell you a very good update where you can apply for Canadian education visa at a very inexpensive rate, which is only 11,950 Canadian dollar, which comes around approximately 7 lakh rupees only per annum. Isn't it impressive? Yes, of course, it is impressive because nowadays Canadian universities or colleges are offering courses at a price of 14,000 to 18,000 Canadian dollar. But here you have an opportunity to get admission at a very low tuition fees, which is 11,900 only Canadian dollar per annum. And if we calculate this fees into 2 year program, then it comes around 23,950. And the second and the one of the most lucrative thing is that here you can get an scholarship option also up to 200 Canadian dollar, which means after getting the scholarship you are eligible to get admission in any of the courses at a price of 21,900 Canadian dollar only, and 21,900 Canadian dollar fees is for 2 year program. And normally the universities and colleges are charging approximately 30,000 to 35,000 Canadian dollar, but here you have an opportunity to get your education from Canada at only price of 21,900 Canadian dollar, which covers your health insurance also. Now I am going to tell you little bit in depth about the college, about the intakes, and about the programs and campus. What are all the options we do have? Now I am going to tell you the college option. One of the college we do have is Avalon College. They do have their campus in Montreal, and the second campus they do have in Quebec City. Quebec City is the capital of Quebec province. They do have campus in two cities of Quebec. One is in Montreal, second one is in Quebec City. Now we have to talk about the courses, what course option you do have to choose. There are three options. One is executive assistant. The duration of this program is 15 months, and the campus which you can get, you have an option to select either Quebec City or Montreal. You do have an option to select any one of them, either Quebec City or Montreal, and the duration of this course is 15 months. Second option is that financial management and accounting. This programs you can get it in Montreal campus only, and the duration of this course is also 24 months. Third and the last program where anyone can get admission at a very nominal conditions only is that international in business management. The campus here you will get also only Montreal, and the duration of this course is also 24 months. Now I am going to tell you about the intakes. Nowadays we are facing a major challenges of from so many universities and colleges that we are unable to get the intakes of this year only, that is September intake or November intake. But here you do have an option to get the admission either in September intake also or November intake also, and the fees of all the three courses are same, which is 11,950 Canadian dollar per annum. So these are all the three options where you can easily get yourself to be admitted in Avalon College. Now I am going to tell you that why you have to choose Avalon College. Okay, there are 4 to 5 USPs. Because of that you have to choose Avalon College. First one is specialized training for career options also. The faculties in Avalon will train you also so that you can get your future career prospects also. Second is that learn at your own pace. Third one is that they are also providing financial assistance to Quebec residents. And last one is that they are also having very flexible schedules. So these are the major USPs of Avalon College. Because of that you have to choose a particular college in Montreal or Quebec province, which is Avalon. So this is the entire session of Avalon College, so that you can get admitted then yourself in Avalon College. So if you need any further related information, then you can contact us through our email address or through our mobile number. So thank you very much. That's all for today. Have a nice day.